Okay. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilham Fauzi, NIM 19241220.
My name Arafi Ramdhani. My name 99 24 99 84.
My name is Michael Alonso Pardosi. My name 1924-1941.
Today's topic is software and operating system and hardware. Software and operating system. Explanation. Software is a general term for a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Operating system is a specific type of software that manages computer hardware and software research, providing a platform for other software, application software to run. What is a software? Computer software, often called as software, is a set of instructions and is associated documentation that tells a computer what to do or how to perform a task. Type system software. System software is software designed to provide a platform to other software. Application software. Application software is a term which is used for software created for a specific purpose. Example: 1. Word processor, Microsoft Word, Google Docs. 2. Web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. 3. Operating system, Windows, macOS, and Linux. Operation system. An operation system (OS) is a fundamental software program that manages and controls a computer's hardware and software resources. Function.
Function Resource Management. The OS manage and allocates the computer resource such as CPU, memory storage, and input out or output device. User interface. The OS provides a user interface. Example, graphical user interface or command line interface that allow user to interact with the system. File management. The OS manage the storage, organization, and retrieval of file. Process management. The OS manage the execution of different program and process. Example of operating system include Microsoft Windows, Apple macOS, Google Android, Apple iOS, and various Linux distribution like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Fedora. Relationship between software and operating system. The operating system acts as the foundation for all other software on a computer. Application software runs on top of the operating system using the OS to access hardware and resource. The OS provides the necessary environment and service for application software to execute.
Conclusion. System software is the basic software that runs your computer. It controls all the parts inside your computer and makes sure they work together. The most important system software is called an operating system. It helps you use your computer by connection. You took machines part. The operating system also lets you run other program on your computer. Without system software, especially the operating system, your computer won't be able to do anything. And at hardware definition, computer hardware is collective term used to describe and any of the physical component of an analog or digital computer. Network hardware connect device, enable communication and data transfer. These components are critical for any infrastructure, but serve a supporting role to the more versatile computer hardware. This category including router, direct internet traffic between devices, switch, manage data flow with a network, firewall, protect system from cyber threats.
Peripheral hardware. Peripheral hardware refers to external device that expand a system functionally. While not essential for basic operation, peripheral significantly enhance user experience and productivity. These are typically accessories or add-ons, mostly relates to computer hardware such as input device, keyboard and mice and scanners, output device like printer, monitor and speaker, external storage like USB drive and external hard drive. Internal computer hardware component. Motherboard. This is a print circuit board that holds the central processing unit (CPU) and other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all other hardware components run toward. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that process and execute digital instruction from various programs. Its clock speed determines the computer performance and efficiency in processing data. RAM. RAM or dynamic RAM is temporary memory or storage that makes information immediately accessible to program. RAM is volatile memory, so store data is cleared when the computer power off. Hard drive. Hard disk drive are physical storage device that store both permanent and temporary data in different format, including program, OSS, device file, photo, etc. External hardware component. Mouse. A mouse is handheld pointing device that move a cursor around a computer screen and enable interaction with objects on the screen. It may be wired or wireless. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device featuring a standard QWERTY key set that enable user to input text, number, and or special character. Microphone. A microphone is a device that translates sound wave into electrical signal and supports computer-based audio communication. Camera. A camera captures visual image and stream them to the computer or through a computer for the network device. Touchpad. Touchpad is a input device external or built into a laptop used to control the pointer on display screen. It typically an alternative to an external.
Examples of output hardware components. Monitor. A monitor is an output device similar to a TV screen that displays information, documents, or image generated by the computing device. Printer. Printers render electronic data from a computer into printed material. Speaker. A speaker is an external audio output device that connects to a computer to generate a sound output. Headphones. Earphones are earbuds similar to speakers. This device provides audio output that's audible only to a single listener. It's all today. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.